At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for eBay e-commerce is a smart move for protecting your personal assets and establishing a formal business structure. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Understand what an LLC is and how it operates. Research the legal and tax implications in your jurisdiction. Determine your business name. Make sure it's not already in use by checking with your state's business name database. 2. Choose your state. Decide where you want to form your LLC. Typically, it's best to form it in the state where you conduct business, but some states have more favorable tax and regulatory environments. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the Secretary of State or the appropriate state agency. This document officially establishes your LLC. You'll need to provide basic information about your business, such as its name, address, registered agent, and the purpose of the LLC.
4. Opting an ein.
Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business and is necessary for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 5. Create an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps clarify the rights and responsibilities of the members and can be crucial in resolving disputes. 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on your state and the nature of your business, you may need to register for state taxes such as sales tax or use tax. Check with your state's Department of Revenue or equivalent agency for specific requirements. 7. Comply with local regulations. Ensure compliance with any local regulations or licenses required to operate a business in your area. This may include zoning permits or business licenses. 8. Set up business accounts. Open a separate business bank account for your LLC to keep your personal and business finances separate. You may also want to consider obtaining a business credit card to further separate business expenses. 9. Maintain compliance. Stay up to date with ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs in your state. This may include annual reports, state taxes, and other filings. 10. Start selling on eBay. Once your LLC is set up, you can start selling on eBay under your business name. Make sure to adhere to eBay's policies and guidelines for sellers. 11. Consider consultation. If you're unsure about any step or need personalized advice, consider consulting with a lawyer or a business advisor specializing in small businesses and e-commerce. Remember, the specifics of setting up an LLC can vary depending on your location and individual circumstances, so it's always a good idea to consult with professionals who are familiar with the laws and regulations in your area. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.